angels, welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you're new. And yeah, so hope you all are staying safe and well in this terrible times that we're going through at the moment. I don't really want to talk about a lot of it on my channel because I want this to be a little bit of an escape route for you guys. So I'm sending lots of love and positivity out to you guys. I hope that you're doing really well. So, in today's video guys, I have accumulated over a period of a couple of months, quite a few months actually. Some of them have took me a year to get through, but I just thought I'd do another hit and miss product empties again. So I have got quite a lot of stuff to go through, so I don't really want this intro to be too long. But yeah, stay tuned, and if you like these kinds of videos then hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It would mean the absolute world to me. Normally my videos are up once a week, but with me being in isolation I thought I might just pop up videos here and there just to keep you guys entertained. So let's just dive straight into it guys. We've got a lot to talk about. So the first product I want to talk about is this. This is my absolute amazing, if you are stressed out, which we all are at the moment, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's the Clay Clot Spa Cotswolds, the Ultimate Pamper Orange and Wild Rose De-Stress Bath Foam. Another bath product with lots of hair on, of course, because my hair gets everywhere, is the Imperial Leather. This is the passion flower and almond milk. Oh my god, this smells absolutely gorgeous. I get through so many of these. So the next product is this, and it's from Dove. I love all of the Dove range, with it being hair care, bath care, skincare. I absolutely love the Dove range. So I have a simple micellar water. This was really good. It didn't sting my eyes or anything like that, but I go through quite a lot of different micellar waters with doing YouTube. But yeah, this was really lovely. It's for sensitive skin, because I have dry to sensitive skin. And yeah, it's really good. It's got no perfumes or colours in here, so it's really good for your skin. And like I said, another micellar water. This one's from the Garnier range, and this is the oil infused. I absolutely love this one. I'm not too much of a big fan of the original micellar water from Garnier, but this one is absolutely lovely. It's for delicate skin and eyes. My eyes get so irritated so quickly if I put anything on there. So it even removes waterproof makeup, which is really good. You get 400 mils, and I think this is about $5.99. So this one is the Nivea face wash, and it is really gentle and really lovely on the skin. So it's a cleansing cream wash for sensitive and dry skin. You get 150 mils in this. This is really good. I use it sometimes with my Foreo. For hair care, I got this. Now this is a Rapid Reviver Dream Length from L'Oreal, and it smells absolutely gorgeous, really nice. So it's basically a really powerful conditioner. So if you dye your hair or you're using a lot of heat on your hair, this is really good. Obviously I dye my hair all the time, and I'm constantly curling it, straightening it. I'm trying not to do a lot of that while I'm in quarantine, but for the purpose of this video I did curl my hair because sometimes it looks like a ratchet mess. I finally got through the Lacura Healthy Glow Glyconic Toner. This is meant to be a dupe for the Pixi. I've never tried anything from Pixi, but this was really good on my skin. Like I say, I've got sensitive, dry skin, so I have to be really careful. But this really did give me that that glow. I really can't speak today. This really did give me that glow from within, and it helped like stop breakouts as well. So this is really good. The only thing is I can't find it in any of my local Aldis anymore. So Aldi, you need to bring this guy back. I got this charcoal face wash. This is a purifying face wash. It detoxifies, removes impurities and clarifies your skin. This is really good. It's 89p I think from Home Bargains. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the good old sheet mask. So I have this one that I got in a rock box. This is the Hokey SOS Gentle Warming Facial Sheet Mask. My absolute favourite I wouldn't go through without my empties, without one of these Garnier Active Moisture Bomb masks. The blue one, Little Nip and Fab. These were little eye patches, and I absolutely loved these. And then I got this one, which I think was out of a Rocker box. I'm sure it was a Rocker box. And yeah, it's just a nice brightening collagen mask with vitamin C. This one was a bit odd. I picked this one up from TK Maxx for £5.99. I've never tried a mask like this ever in my life. It's got a little face on the front, which was quite intriguing to me. And it's the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot face mask. Now, when you do these face masks, you have 2 little sachets, you pour them in the pot, you give the pot a shake. It's got a little spatula in there, and you basically just put it on your face, wait for about 10 to 15, 20 minutes, something like that. And it goes like plastic. It was so satisfying to take off. So if they've got any more of these in TK Maxx when it opens up again, I will definitely be trying these again because they're just fun. Also from TK Maxx, I picked up this, and it's the Nip and Fab Hydrate. This is the Dragon Blood Fix Essence Mist. I absolutely loved this. I used it before makeup, during my skincare routine, last thing at night, and now I've got none left, obviously. One of my favourite hair product brands is Lee Stafford. I've used Lee Stafford for years and years, and I absolutely love Lee Stafford products. So this is the anti-humidity spray. So in the summer months, when your hair goes a little bit like Monica out of Friends, you just spritz a bit of this on, and it just basically locks in all the goodness of your hair. So it just, I picked this up a while ago, I think it was last summer to be honest, and I've literally just run out of it. It's the Love Island Sleek and Sassy Leave-In Conditioner. This was absolutely gorgeous. I used it last summer, like I say. It's called Beach Orchid. You got 200 mils, and I think it was only like £1, £2 if that. I got this in a Rocker box. This is the Umberto Ganini. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm really sorry. I'm really useless when it comes to that. But basically it's a banana shea butter hair mask. I absolutely love this. I have a pack of my, well, there's nothing in there because I've used them all up. These are the Gillette Venus Ocean Razors. I absolutely love these. They don't cut, and they're just, they give your skin, leave your skin feeling so smooth and soft after shaving. And yeah, I would definitely be repurchasing these again because they're really, really good. The first thing I want to talk about are these lashes. Obviously the lashes are no longer in the box because I've used them. These are the Fern McCann Calabasas Crush from Poundland. A lot of people have been raving and raving about these, so I thought, why not? They're £1, I'll go try them out. I didn't like them. They were really stiff on the inner corner, and they just didn't stick down very well. They just did not really suit me, so I probably won't repurchase these again. Of course, I have run out of my PS primer water, and Primark's not open, guys. I'm gonna have a meltdown. I'm gonna try not to, but I've run out of PS primer water. And again, my Body Shop Pink Grapefruit Body Yogurt is in here. I absolutely, every time I smell this, it just reminds me of being in Manchester with my girls, and I miss them so, so much because obviously with the isolation and the lockdown, I've not been able to see them. I got sent this in a little PR package, and it's the Ole Henriksen. Bougie, I know. I always want to try the Ole Henriksen, and I got a chance to try it. It's just a little teeny tiny mini. This is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Oh my God, guys. I really need to buy some Ole Henriksen products now because I've tried this. I didn't want to fall in love with it, but I have fallen in love with it. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it in a little PR package, because this is a little PR package. It was 7 mils, and I made it last a fair while. And now I need to buy it because I've fallen in love with it, and it's probably They're going to be the most expensive piece of skincare product that I bought, but I really want this. I mean, I'll show you how bad I fell in love with it. I cut it in half, guys, to get the rest of it out. I cut it in half. And I stuck my finger in there to get the last little remaining bits out. I have issues, and like I say, I've got a problem, and when I like a product I kind of cut it up and use the rest of it what's inside. So this is my Fit Me foundation. This is in 220 when I was tanned when I was in Manchester last summer, and I absolutely fell in love with this foundation. It was so flawless. It just looked beautiful on the skin, and I definitely will be repurchasing this foundation. The next foundation, this one is a Milani. This is a Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in 08 Light Tan. I got sent this by my good friend Faye J here on YouTube, and we did like a little mystery box to each other, and I finally used all this up. Another foundation that I managed to get through, obviously these are over a long period of time for my foundations, about a year that I've got through them, so I'm feeling quite accomplished that I've got through all of my foundations. So this one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Again, I absolutely love this brand, and I love this foundation. It was a little bit shade too light for me, so I'll probably go up the next shade when I repurchase. This is the Rimmel Match Perfection in Classic Beige. This is an alright foundation if you mix it with a different one. It's a little bit dark for me being Classic Beige, but I made it work with a lighter foundation. Sometimes I do that if I get my colour matches wrong. If I buy them offline and I get my colour matches wrong, I will tend to just put them with a lighter foundation and see if they mix together well. The next product is this little Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I absolutely love this. The only part that I didn't love about this foundation was the smell. It smells like putting paint on your skin, and that's the only part that I really didn't like. I got mine in Nude Ivory. I'll probably go up the next shade because this is a tad too light, but then again, I always like having a lighter foundation in my collection, because if I do get darker foundations, I just mix them together like I say. And yeah, these are cruelty free, which is a really big bonus for me. I'm trying to use a lot more cruelty free products, so yeah, absolutely love it. This primer is the Revolution Star Primer. It's a water gel primer. There is still a little bit left in this primer, but it just won't come out. Basically, it's got to the end and the pump, it just will not pump any more of this out. It smells a bit like licorice, which I kind of like. The water gel primer itself is quite cooling when you put it on the skin. It feels really cool and fresh. So I do actually like this. This is £10, which is quite expensive for Revolution products, especially a primer. So I probably won't repurchase it. I did like it, I used it, but I don't think I'll try buying this one again. My little Poundland Smoothly Does It pressed powder. I have another one of these that I'm almost out of. So Poundland's not open at the moment. So yeah, I might have to repurchase this when Poundland's back open again, but my Poundland is actually closed at the moment due to the lockdown. This is the Collection Prime and Ready Anti-Fatigue Illuminating Primer in Cool Rose. I absolutely love Collection's little primers. Another Revolution product. This is the Precision Brow Pencil. So it's just a really skinny little pencil. You've got the pencil at this end, which is completely gone, literally completely gone. Knew I couldn't go through a video without dropping something. So this little product I absolutely fell in love with, and again, it's a high-end product. It's from Morad, which is a high-end skincare product, and I've fallen in love with it again. And It's a Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. I got this in a rocker box, I'm sure it was rocker box, and it's just really, really lovely. It made my skin so good. I hardly had any breakouts when using this, and I really loved it. And now I'm gonna have to see how much it is, and I think it's really expensive because I've heard that Morad is quite a high-end bougie skincare range. And that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please stay safe and please stay at home. I know that it's really boring and it's really hard not to see family members and your friends, but at the moment, the way the world is, we really all need to stick together and stay at home. So, that being said, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please click on that red subscribe button, join the family, hit the notification bell. I will be uploading all the damn time at the moment. And yeah, until next time, stay safe and stay beautiful, and I love you always.